Hi guys, I'm gonna share this amazing activity with you which I have made for Vivan. So what I've done is I have taken a white plain sheet, again a 200 GSM sheet, and I've cut these simple squares here. And with the origami sheets I have taken again a same size square and I've cut it into two parts and I've pasted here. So there's a pink color and a green color here, but I've taken different shades. As you can see, there's red, pink, orange, red, green, and they're pretty thick cards, not very flimsy. So my toddler is like able to use it pretty nicely, and I have the whatever shades I had at home, I have used all of them, and I plan to make them more because Vivan has really enjoyed them. So the basic idea of making was so this is up number one. So I can create a pattern here. I'll take a photograph and put it on my laptop or on my pad, and then Vivan has to recreate the same pattern. So as you can see, I have created a pattern here, and then once Vivan will see the pictures, he has to pick up the same cards and then he has to create this pattern. So this can be one, and you can make whatever pattern you like, and it doesn't need to be the same or same color, but whatever suits you, whatever color paper you have, you can use it. And the second way to play this game is like to play the dominoes. So like the way I've kept here, so this is the first card which I've kept, and then Vivan needs to pick up another card and put the blue card here. Then I can pick up this card and make this, and to keep the trail going, then we can put the orange card here, just right here. So it can be an endless beautiful game with a pattern or with dominoes, or you can start building up different shapes. So it's like a beautiful triangle here. Okay, it's like a triangle here, and if you want to complete this, you can put like two more oranges here, then it'll become a diamond. So you can create a lot of things by just keeping this very simple. It's a plain white paper, and with a simple glue, I have like these two colors have been glued here, so orange and green, and I have made two cards each, so that once we're playing dominoes it becomes easy to do it. And even for the pattern, I have created a lot of cards. So I think in total number I have made like 12 or 13 cards to begin with, but I think it's pretty less, so I would take the cards up to like 20, and then I think it's gonna be great. So guys, if you have any other idea, like one more, I mean, please do share it with me. I would like to do it with my son, and it will be great for the other viewers also. Thank you, keep watching, bye.